Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the exit plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Now go to Rectangle command. Take here 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, make dimension. Here this will be 112 mm and this will be 80 mm. Okay, now here go to the arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and select this point and make one arc here. Okay, now finish sketch, take here extrude, select both the profiles. Here we are going to take extrude of 20 mm and press OK. Okay, go to part 1. Now we have constructed this base. Now we are going to construct this profile and this profile. Go to the initial part, select this face, go to create sketch, rotate. Here take the rectangle and go to polygon command. We'll select the center point of this arc, select this and make a polygon. This will be having 6 sides. Go to dimension and here define the outer dimension as 40 mm and escape. Here take the vertical constraint, select the center and select the center. Okay, so this is fully constrained. Here you can see. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, take here extrude dimension of 50 mm and press OK. Now select this face again, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here we are going to take the 2-point center rectangle, or you can take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle profile from this edge and make one rectangle till this profile. Go to dimension, define this as 50 and define this height also 50. Here define this as 10 mm. Okay, now we'll make the constraint. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center and here select the center of this, the green point. Okay, now select the center and here we'll select this green point. So this is completely aligned. Escape. Now here select this profile, make it construction geometry and select this also, make it construction geometry. Okay, now here go to offset, select this and select this, or one by one we have to select. We are having cursor inside, enter and take offset 7.5 mm. Select this profile, enter 7.5. Now select this profile, enter 6 mm and escape. Okay, now here go to trim these extra profiles, this profile and escape. Now here take the line command and make the joining profile here. Similarly here also joining profile and escape. Now take the fillet command, take fillet radius of 10, select this edge, select this edge. Okay, and take radius 5 mm, select this corner and select this corner and escape. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles and here we are going to take extrude of 36 mm and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now select this face again, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make a cutout profile here. For that go to rectangle, take here 2-point rectangle, make the rectangle profile, go to dimension, define the total width as 20. Okay, and this height here as 26 mm. escape. Now again horizontal constraint, select this point, and here we are going to select center, this yellow point. Okay, now go to the arc command, 3-point arc, and make one arc here. Okay, and escape. Now finish sketch, extrude command, select both the profiles. Here I want a cut profile, so I will click on cut and take a distance of 12 mm and press OK. So a pocket cut has been made. Okay, go to home. Now here we are going to make the whole profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to point command and make a point at center. Go to vertical constraint, select this edge, select this, go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this. Okay, it is fully constrained. Finish. Here take the whole command. Okay, as you can see it is selecting two profiles. I'll deselect this and select only this. Here I want a simple hole and we'll define the distance, so click on distance. Here the distance of this hole will be 55 mm and the diameter of hole here will be of 20. Now press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the point command and make one point here. Go to dimension, define this dimension from backside at 72 mm and escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this and escape. Finish sketch, take whole command. Now this time we are going to make, go to distance, a hole of diameter 6 and a depth of hole will be 20 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 1. Now we have completed this profile. Now we are going to make this rib profiles. Go to top. Now here you can see these ribs are not straight. These are at an angle of 30 degree. Okay. Go to home. Part 1. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take the line command. From the center point make one straight line. Escape. Go to line command and make one taper line. Now escape. Go to dimension. Define the angle between these two as 30 degree and escape. Now select complete profile and make it construction geometry. Okay. Finish sketch. Rotate the profile. Now we want a plane on this line. So click on plane, select this face and select this line. Okay. So it will ask you the degree. So it will be at 90 degree and press OK. Okay. Now you can see this plane lies on this line. Select this new plane. Click on this. Click on create sketch. Here we will make the rib profile. Take the line command. From this corner, or don't select this corner, go to line. We'll define the distance here. Go to dimension. Here the height of this will be 40 mm. Okay. And the angle here will be of 30 degree. Okay. Or you can define the distance. Unselect this. Go to dimension. Select this point and select this. Define the distance here as 16 mm. Okay. Go to home, rotate and rotate one more time. Okay. Now here we want to make the rib profile. So you'll see yellow lines are being created here. So for the rib profile only one solid line should be there. Okay. Now escape. Now here select this yellow line, press Ctrl and select this yellow line. These are the projected geometries and make them construction. Okay. Now only a solid line is being here. Finish sketch. Take here rib command. Select this profile. Here we'll click on parallel to sketch plane. Okay, and the thickness will be of 8 mm. This will be from mid plane and press OK. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Select the sketch, turn off the visibility, go to home. Now I want the same profile this side. Go to mirror, select trip 1, go to mirror plane, go to region, and we'll select here the XY plane and press OK. Okay, same profile is constructed here also. Now here click on fillet, take a fillet radius of 5 mm, go to edge selection, select this corner, rotate, select this corner, select this back side, rotate once more and select this, press OK, rotate the view. Okay, now here I'll give the appearance. I've taken here the sky blue dark, you can take, or you can take the medium color. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.